AI, which was in the fiction, now has come to the reality. AI, which was in the story, now is in our real life. So, have you ever asked your phone for the directions or seen that everything in online or anything you speak or think is coming in your feeds? It's coming in your Instagram feeds, it's coming in your Amazon recommendations and all those things. So, whatever you speak, whatever you interact, whatever you say, that is getting recorded and getting trained and getting used to give you the options. How the machine is doing this? Machine is doing this by the intelligence, and that is the machine intelligence, and that's only is the artificial intelligence. It's artificial, it's not a real, it has been developed. So anything which is artificial has something to get trained. So in a simple term we can say that AI is when we teach a computer to think and learn in a way that mimic how we as a human do. AI helps machine understand the things and make decisions and even solve the problems. It's like a giving machine a little bit a human-like intelligence, right? So you may not realize it, but AI is all around you, making life easier in a lots of ways. When you ask your phone assistant for help, AI is listening and responding. When doctors use AI, it helps to them to diagnose the disease faster. And even when you are watching the TV, AI is working to suggest or give the recommendation to you. So AI is like a helpful assistant in many areas of our lives. Like it is healthcare, or you take the entertainment, or even now the driving. So, but how do the computer get so smarter? How the machine is able to understand what actually you are thinking or what actually should be recommended to you? So everything is just like we can say that they learn from the data, and that's just a fancy word for the information we give them. For example, if we show a computer a banana and a apple and just train them that this is a banana, this is an apple, and this is the difference between them. So next time when it will see the banana or apple, it will able to find the difference. But if you will put the mango in front of the computer, it may get confused and it may give the wrong prediction. Or if you have kept any exceptional in the conditions, it will go to that exception. It will not be able to predict that it is a mango because it has not been trained. So this is the actual artificial intelligence, it's not a real. So from the real world, this intelligence has been trained to give some predictions. So now sometimes the computer also learns from the mistakes. For example, in our daily life, we learn from our mistakes. In the same way, computer also learns from their mistakes, and that is called as reinforcement learning. We will see that in later upcoming sessions. So reinforcement learning is when a computer try to learn from its own mistakes and make itself more intelligent. So miss uh, when you're playing like a video games, right, you do a mistake again. Next time when you play the video game, it will be much better way you can play that because you have learned a lot of mistakes from the previous sessions. Same way, nowadays the intelligence is getting smarter. So what's next for the AI? Well, the possibilities are endless, and AI could help doctors find new cures of the disease. It could make cities more smart cities, like managing the traffic and energy uses. And who knows, maybe in some day AI robots may come out in our daily life. Now it has been already introduced into the professional sites, but yes, it's not in our daily personal uses and all. We are not using that, but maybe in future it will come out. But with all these emerging potentials, we also need to think carefully that how to use the AI. We need to make sure that it should be used in the safe way, fair way, and good for everyone. So ethical issues is the major challenge which is coming when the AI is developing. And here, the exciting part that you don't need to be a tech wizard to start learning about the AI. If you are curious, there are many ways to get involved, whether it is building your own small AI project or simply staying informed that what's happening in the world of the technology and how you can use those technology in your own domain or in your sector. So AI is changing the world and you can be the part of that change. Whether you are here to learn how AI works or just to understand how it affects your life, welcome. Let's explore the AI together.